Okay, we have a Victorinox Swiss Army Bantam knife. I did incorporate the pocket clip, so when I carry it, it lies deep in the pocket, and it's not loose in your pocket. Because I think the problem with the Swiss Army knives is that if you don't have a clip, if you pull stuff out of your pocket, eventually you lose it. So I have this one because I don't want to lose things. I mean, this one is cheap. It's about like $16, I think, if I remember right. But I don't want to lose stuff, so I have that one. So this one's separate. You gotta buy it separately. I didn't buy it from. This one is not an official Swiss Army clip. I just bought it online. It's tiny. It's easy to carry. So if you want to cut things, open bags, it's easy. It only has like 4 functions on this one. So you have your large blade, okay, your bottle opener, this one can also be used as a can opener. Actually, it has 8 functions, sorry about that. And your 5mm screwdriver, you can use with this one as a wire stripper, a key ring, okay. You also have your toothpick and your tweezers. Other side. Okay, height is 0.4 of an inch. Length at 3.3 inches. It says on the website. Weight is 1.2 ounces. Okay. The scale is ABS plastic or Celidor, as they call it. It's one-handed opening. It utilizes your usual Swiss Army. I don't know if it's a black market. Maybe it is. Blade is made of Swiss-made stainless steel. It's a tiny knife. It's cheap. It's not heavy. I actually use this. Not use it. I bring it every day, if in case I need to. Open bags. Would I consider it for self-defense? Probably not. Maybe you can. Who knows? But you do have your blade, big blade. Again. And your can opener and bottle opener. Okay, so again, this is your Swiss Army Bantam in red. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe.